Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be unboxing my single swag. This is one of the few boxes that I did not discontinue. I went ahead and paid for another 6 months of this box using a discount code. If you do not use a discount code, it's super expensive and not, in my opinion, not worth the price. But I think I found a code for 40% off, and so it made it, I think, $130 for 6 months, something like that, something affordable for me. So this was one that I was able to keep, and I like it. I'm glad, you know, it's always something different in this. So here is what it looks like. And the first thing, Nicole, honey, that's too loud. Okay. My daughter's doing the dishes for me. She always does the dishes for me. I love her to death. Okay, thank you, honey. So the first thing I do want to say to everyone that is watching this, thank you. Thank you very much, because I know I'm late opening this. I actually got it a long time ago, and when I got it, I didn't see anybody's videos out on this, but I just wasn't in the mood to do any recording. And then, you know, I see them popping up, and I'm like, oh, I'm too late to the game. No one's going to watch me now. And so I just didn't do it. And then I thought, I'm just going to do it. So here goes nothing. Let's see how many views I get. All right. So on this side, it says what I got. And on this side, it says win my next box. If you go to Instagram, tag single swag, and that'd be kind of nice. I paid for 6 months in advance. I wonder how they do that if I win. Not that I would, but if I did, how would they do that? Anyway, yes, here is, let me see if I can show you little Brooklyn eating the box. Let's see how, there she goes. Yep, that is what she does. So, I know it's not good, and she has kind of choked a little bit on cardboard before, so I do not allow this behavior. That is a no-no. So we're going to go ahead and stop that right now. And I am going to go ahead and start opening this. She's like right here. So yeah, I have to give her boundaries or limits on some things, just if it's dangerous. If she's just being cute, it's okay. But when it comes to her eating cardboard or anything that could potentially harm her, I have to put a stop to it. So,
Brooklyn, come here.
Okay, so let's see what I got in my single swag. I already know, because I think everyone gets the same thing. But the first thing I received was this winter hat. And when I first opened the box, because like I said, I got this a long time ago. I know what's in it. I'm like, a hat? I mean, I know I live in Illinois, you know, it's cold, but a beanie. And then I saw people opening it. And how soft it was. And then I saw people show the inside. How beautiful and soft it is. So I'm going to put my beanie on. Nice and comfy and soft. All right. I need to get my bangs cut or something. I don't know what to do with my hair. So let's go ahead and leave that on. I love it. They said this is, oh no, where's my glasses again? Okay, here's my glasses. So this beanie, they say, is a Chanel beanie at $38 is their pricing. So I'm going to go ahead and get these glasses to go on and stay on for this video. There. Okay.
Beautiful.
Thank you, honey. The next thing I received is this indigo, and there's always a jewelry piece in this bag. So the Indigo Authority. This is a Elena Pave heart and earring set. And no, the earrings do not match the necklace at all. So I don't know how they call it a set. And this is not only my opinion, because I've seen a lot of unboxers already unbox this, and you guys probably have too. And Brooklyn's trying to eat it. But here it is, okay? So I've got the heart necklace and then the earrings. Now, I usually wear big earrings, but I do have, you know, my ears double pierced. So I may go ahead and keep the earrings. As for the necklace, I don't wear a lot of heart necklaces or heart anything anymore. I used to. Oh yeah, I used to. I used to love wearing hearts and everything. And I love the color of this necklace too, the peach. But this you may see in a future giveaway. And did I already tell you how much? They said this is $54 by Elena or something like that. Pave Heart. It's got it's 16 inch with a 4-inch extender on the back. So you can make it longer. Okay. Next thing I received, as you guys probably all know, I'm going to show you. It's the Spongel, the lavender Spongel. Look at Brooklyn saying, "What, Mommy? What did you get?" So the Spongel is $20. It's probably a fair price. It's lavender scented. A lot of these Spongels end up in my drawers, you know, my dresser drawers, because I like to keep them there because they make my clothes and everything smell so good. I usually just keep it like in the package, the cellophane or whatever, like this, in one of my dresser drawers. So I'm not picking up a whole lot of scent with the cellophane still on it. That is cellophane, isn't it? I've been using that word a lot, and now I'm thinking that's kind of a weird word, so maybe it's not the right word. Anyway, I may have to take it off of this one. But so that is the Spongel. All right, so I got that, the Spongel. Let's see. Okay. Now there used to be a yummy, it was called a Premier European chocolate bar. Yes. They valued it at $5. There used to be one in there. Yeah, I ate it. It's gone. I ate it. It's not in there anymore. I thought I kept the packaging though, but apparently not. I really did think oh well, who cares? You guys don't need to see the packaging. I'm sure you've seen it already. All right, so okay, what is this? By Fiona Rachel, Maximum Hydrator Replenishing Moisturizing Cream. So a moisturizer. And this, they say, is $39. I love getting moisturizers. So, you know, since I canceled my Ipsy and I canceled my BoxyCharm, I'm hoping, you know, with this box, we do get some things that I could use like this, because I'm going to be missing my other boxes, let me tell you. So let's see what this looks like. Definitely going to keep it. Oh, I probably won't go ahead and open it up. It is sealed. It's got that top seal on there. And, you know, I only open one moisturizer at a time. I don't know if they, like, once they touch the air, if they start to expire. I don't know, but I just would rather not open it. And that is something I will keep, though. This is something called I Woke Up Like This, right here. I woke up like this. And what is this? I thought I just saw it. I Woke Up Like This Skin Perfecting Primer. So this is a primer. And it's by Sophia and Maybell. $28. You know, I guess something like this, a primer, and it says camera ready primer. So if it's anything like that, I'm going to love this. So this is a good thing. All right. So here comes Brooklyn again to eat the box. So I'm going to move the box from my lap again. Okay, then what else did I get? What else? This box is always so full of goodies. I have to reach way over here because Brooklyn's right in my face. I shall be right back. All right, I'm back. So my phone rang. and it was a doctor's office, so I had to get it. All right, so I think I was actually on to my last product anyway, and let me see if I can grab it again here. It's by, I think some people call this Luxie, or, you know, I would say Lux, but I don't know. It is a pillow mist, eucalyptus and jasmine pillow mist. I have to watch, you know, I love to put fabric, those little things in my washing machine that make your laundry smell good for days. You know, those things, I forget what they call them. Downy makes them, a whole bunch of different people make them, but that's about as far as I go with scents in my bed. So let me see. I'm going to go ahead and spray it onto my Minky blanket that I won from Tiffany of Tiffany Wears T-shirts. So a long time ago. All right, let me go ahead and spray this. See what it smells like anyway. Well, it does smell good. I can't say is I would spray it on my pillow. But what I could say is I would spray this like in the air. I would spray this possibly on my couches to freshen them up, whatever. But I think this scent would be too strong for me on my pillow. That's just my opinion. But I do like the scent. It is very nice. And is that it? And oh, the pillow scent thing. Let's see. They say it's $24. One of these days, I actually want to look up the brands themselves and their own websites and find out how much this item really is on, you know, on the brand's website. But I'm too lazy to do that right now. So I'm not going to do it right now. But I'd be curious anyway to see if it's real or if they inflated the prices. Who knows? And who cares? This box is, I don't know, cheap. So I just told you how much I paid for 6 months. What, $130 for 6 months? So yeah, let's see, make sure I got everything. Yes, everything I showed you except the candy bar, which I ate. Yum, yum, yum. That is my singles swag box. Look, I can't even take a picture of it because I already ate the chocolate bar. I can't believe it. I thought I kept the wrapper. Oh, darn it. Anyway, it's just like me. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you did watch all the way through, I greatly appreciate it. I know this has been unboxed so many times, and we all get the same thing in this box. So I really thank you for watching this if you did. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you can, please comment down below in the description box because I'm curious to see who actually stuck around. So thank you so much, everyone. And I'm trying to put down my glasses over here, but I can wait on that. Comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe.
Not a special word.
If you're not already subscribed. Thank you very much. Have a great day.